Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite automobile channel Prime MotorMax, where we bring you honest reviews, complete details, and the latest updates about bikes and cars. If you are looking for a motorcycle that is affordable, fuel-efficient, reliable, and perfect for daily use, then today's video is going to be very helpful for you. Because today we are talking about the all-new Hero Splendor Plus Xtec 2026, one of the most trusted and highest-selling commuter bikes in India. The Hero Splendor has always been known for its durability, low maintenance cost, and excellent mileage. For many years, this bike has been the first choice of office workers, students, and families. Now Hero has upgraded it with modern technology and smart features, making the new Xtec 2026 model more stylish and practical than ever before. Let's start with the design. The new Splendor Plus Xtec comes with fresh graphics, attractive body colors, and a clean, simple look that suits riders of all ages. The front gets a bright headlamp with LED daytime running lights, which improves visibility at night. The overall design is simple yet modern, perfect for daily commuting. Talking about features, this is where the Xtec model feels special. It comes with a fully digital instrument console that shows speed, fuel level, real-time mileage, trip meter, and other useful information. You also get Bluetooth connectivity, so you can see call and SMS alerts directly on the display. There is a USB charging port as well, which allows you to charge your phone while riding. These smart features are rarely seen in this budget segment. Now let's discuss the engine performance. The bike is powered by a 97 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and reliable power. It is not made for racing, but for comfortable daily riding. The engine feels refined and gives a stress-free riding experience in city traffic as well as on highways. The biggest highlight of this bike is its mileage. Please subscribe.